Hi, Jeff Carty here, West Central Montana Avalanche Center, up in the Rattlesnake today. I'm about 7,600 feet on a north slope right now, and we're looking at our snowpack here. And this is a great example of how much variability we have. This snowpack, with the north winds we had last week following the storm, it's seen a bunch of wind scouring as well as wind loading, and so we have some really stiff windboard high up in here. What's really surprising is the amount of faceting that we're finding in this, and with those cold temps we had last week, we saw really rapid faceting, and these are striated crystals up here in the snowpack, and we just had an ECTP1 on this, which means that this is very unstable with a really high likelihood of propagation. Those facets continue all the way down through the snowpack, and as a contrast to other areas where we're seeing still new snow in this zone, right above the rain crust here we have really sugary snow that's happened in there all the way down and a depth hoar down at the bottom. This spot we had a propagation on our 20th tap on our ECT, so showing that propagation can happen down here in these basal facets still, and in a spot like this you could have the potential of a step down where you trigger this easy to trigger stuff at the top and it steps down to this. So while we've had a bunch of snow, a lot of spots are showing good stability. Just the other side of this ridge was showing far better stability than this. We've got pockets of really faceted stuff that's really sketchy you need to be careful of. Those cold temperatures last week, those few days of minus 11 down to minus 20 at some points, really caused some rapid faceting in here. And so that's something we're going to need to be careful of. Ski and ride safe.